Hey, I'm Brandon with RevZilla, joined here by my buddy John Travolta, and today we are taking a closer look at the first manufacturing Fillmore jacket, and of course this jacket is available at greaselightning.com. So the Fillmore Jacket, this is going to be something that's geared towards the cooler riding season. You do have a full sleeve thermal liner on the inside, and this is something that doesn't have a ton of direct ventilation or anything like that. So not going to be the best option in the middle of summer for sure. So I'd say spring, fall, you can push it into those cooler riding seasons with that thermal built in. You're looking at 1.1 millimeter cowhide leather main construction. So really excellent abrasion resistance. Now, one thing I will note right out of the gate, no armor is included. You do have the pockets on the inside to add that if you wish to do so, but that is something that you'll have to purchase separately, and I think it's about $25 for each set. So $25 for the elbow, $25 for the shoulder, and that is CE level 2 protection. I believe the back protector is $25 as well, but don't quote me on that one. Just something to keep in mind there. Before we get going, let's talk about the overall fit. I've got John Travolta here, and he's about 6 feet tall, 44-inch chest, about 220 pounds, wearing a size large with First Manufacturing. This is fitting him very well, pretty much spot on par for the course here with First Manufacturing. Keep in mind it is leather, so it is going to relax, it is going to break in with regular use and time, but with his measurements, I would certainly say this is running true to what that sizing chart is going to recommend. So get your measurements, reference the chart, you should be all set. Now keep in mind this jacket will ship to you for free, coming in around $270. A few different color options, but one note I wanted to make for you there is if you move up to the 3XL, 4XL, and the 5XL sizes, it is going to go up a bit in price because it's utilizing quite a bit more leather. So just something to keep in mind there. And of course, we do have our price match policy in place. That is there to ensure that you're getting the best deal around. So it's got a like Marlon Brando style to it, wild hogs, grease lightning. And we've got quite a few different jokes going on with this jacket, but overall it is that classic kind of asymmetrical design with that front zipper. So all of this you can unpin, you can close it up, help block some of that wind from getting to the inside of the jacket, and just a very traditional overall styling when it comes to this jacket. So now we can take a closer look. Not a whole lot going on here when it comes to the shoulders and the elbow. As I mentioned before, pockets on the inside to add armor, no armor is included. And then as you get to the wrist, just a simple zipper pull tab there. Very, very straightforward, very classic design. And we've got some additional pockets on the chest as well as the side here, and then you've got your little lipstick pocket there for some additional storage if you want that. Pat, go ahead and face that direction for me, sir. Now when he strikes that riding position, you can see we've got some nice gussets here right at the shoulder. That's just going to give you a little bit more relief and a little bit more comfort when you're in the riding position. Always like to see that if we don't have any stretch or anything like that incorporated. I'm sure you noticed that there's a belt at the waistline. That is something you can take off if you wanted to do so. You can cut that right off of the jacket if you want. I know a lot of riders do because it feels a little bit cumbersome, but you do have that there if you need to cinch down the waistline. Pat, go ahead and face the back for me. One thing to note here, while there's not a lot going on, this is a large panel of leather. So a lot of manufacturers will use different pieces of it and form it together. I mean, of course, they're forming it together with the stitching on the side, but this is still a very large piece of leather. We don't see a ton of manufacturers doing that. And I like that First Manufacturing is, but they're still keeping those prices low and still giving you a quality full grain cowhide leather jacket. Pat, go ahead and face the front for me, sir. Let's take a quick look here on the inside. We've got that belt. Go ahead and undo that. And then right here on the inside, you can see you've got two concealed carry pockets on the left and the right. And then of course that liner is removable. It's kind of this satin material that you can see here, and then a 3D mesh lining underneath that. But you can zip that right out of the jacket if you wish to do so. Help circulate some airflow. Again, not really any direct vent, so it's not going to be the best option for those summer riding months, but it is something you can remove if you're running a little bit hot. Pat, you can go ahead and zip that up. Otherwise, very straightforward. Again, very classic kind of vintage style jacket that's going to age really well. And it is something that I think is timeless. It works well with a large range of different cruiser style bikes. If you have any additional questions though, please do not hesitate to reach out. You can give our Gear Geeks a call at 877-792-9455 or simply shoot over an email, cs@revzilla.com. Thanks for hanging out with Pat and I and taking a closer look at the First Manufacturing Fillmore Jacket. I'm Brandon. Keep it pinned.